Legal teams often spend hours sifting through complex documents and disconnected sources to surface the right insights, slowing down reviews and increasing risk. With Box AI, that process becomes faster, smarter, and far more secure. Here we are in a legal hub that helps legal analysts plan and navigate legal matters, ensuring compliance and consistency across the team. Let's ask Box AI to help highlight the key differences between clauses. Box AI quickly surfaces the distinctions and provides helpful context. That's powerful. But since we'll need to analyze and compare clauses regularly, it makes sense to create a custom contracts agent designed specifically for this workflow. We can select the agent from the dropdown. Instantly, the preset suggested questions appear, all fine tuned for legal work. When we run the same query, we notice the difference. The response is deeper, more structured, giving us a clear contextual comparison. We can see that it has organized its response into distinct sections, like contract structure and parties, purchase order requirements, term and terminations, indemnification scope, calling out the relevant governing laws, and highlighting key risk differences. Note that there's also a disclaimer at the very end, ensuring that a human in the loop always checks and reviews the information. With custom AI agents in Box, legal teams can move from manual document reviews to intelligent insight extraction, accelerating analysis, reducing errors, and keeping everything within a secure, governed workspace. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk through exactly how we built this custom contracts agent in Box AI Studio.